Shalom Garden family, and today's video is going to be about growing mushrooms, lion's mane mushrooms in particular. Now, on the 27th of March, I believe, I opened up this log because I remember showing you the video about the log. And I said I would keep you up to date on the progress of it. And since then, we have some growth. As you can see, this is the lion's mane. It actually looks like a little puffy what do you call those? Little pom-poms, right? But it's a lion's mane. Lion's mane is really, really versatile mushroom. When they are fully grown into a nice, good size, you can actually take these mushrooms and fry them in a pan by pressing down on them till they're about this much thick. Let me see. And they make little steaks, believe it or not, for the vegans. For the vegetarians, they look like steak, they act like steak, and my goodness, if they don't taste like a steak, that's why they call them steaks, because they're just delicious. Now, another thing I know about the lion's mane, and I've tested both of these methods, is crab rangoons. If you like crab rangoons and you don't like crab, or you don't eat seafood like I don't, you can take this lion's mane, which actually takes on the flavor of seafood. Oh my goodness, I know it sounds crazy, but I made some crab rangoons one time with these. Delicious. This is the reason why I actually purchased the lion's mane, because I've tried them in those two ways and they were delicious. Okay, so I'm going to show you. I'm going to put some gloves on first. Now I'm going to show you how I did this, because I remember when we first did the mail call, I told you it came in a plastic bag, like a tent. At first, I had the bag sideways and this standing straight up, but I realized that it's better to put it standing straight up for more room for now, because something tells me that the way this is growing, if I don't have enough room for it to spread out, it won't. But yeah, so this is the tent of the bag right here, and this tent has holes in it on the sides. Yeah, here's a hole right here. You probably can or cannot see it, but let's see. Yeah, see, it's got like 6 of these holes. And this bag obviously comes with the spores on them, because you can actually see the spores. All those black things are the spores. And underneath this piece of mushroom here, I was told to cut an X. So I did. I cut an X there. And when I cut the X there, it comes with this little spray bottle. And you spray the water inside the X and around the bag, right? So I did that up until I saw the mushrooms come out, right? So ever since then, and there's mushrooms coming out here as well, right out of the top. Can you see that? That's mushroom right there. And I'm going to show you another piece of mushroom. And there's another mushroom poking right there, as you can see, right? So they're designed to actually come through whatever type of bag this is. They're strong enough to come through. So I'm assuming that all of this white that you see is going to be lion's mane, right? This is so freaking cool. They never told me to take this off, which is a zip tie right here. I was never told to take the zip tie off, so I don't know. I honestly don't. I'm also happy to just to see how easy it is to do this. And so basically you spray the inside of the bag, which I've already done. You can already see the water on there. And I basically just close it up and clip it at the top. And I leave it on this desk for a day. And then I take it into the closet for a day. It started in the closet. And I can't really say it started. That was the first place I put it. I put it in my germination closet. And that's where I germinate all my seeds that need germination. I put it in the germination closet. And then I took it out, set it on the table, sprayed it. I guess that was like the next day. Every day I swap, because it needs fluctuation in temperature. It can't be at the same exact temperature all the time. So that's how I fluctuate it. I send it from the closet to the table, from the closet to the table, from the closet to the table, and this is what we have. So if you're interested in growing mushrooms, please look into this mushroom Growth system, I honestly don't know or remember where I got it from, but then again, my paper instructions should say. But knowing them, if they don't, I guess it's from China, because I'm telling you, these Asians or the Chinese, they're very minimal with their descriptions. But here it is. It says it's called customer at rootmushroom.com. So there you go. They left some, I'm going to put it there so you can see it. They left some description for digital instructions and more information. Please visit their website, www.rootmushroom.com, or send them an email. But this is a very, very, very great grow system. I love it. As you can see, the log is laying down that way, so you can either lay it down or you can keep it standing straight up. Um, I never laid the log down. But anyways, yeah, and see the X that they had me cut in it. But again, like I said, it never says take off that zip tie. Okay. Now, what it does say, which I find very interesting, is that you can grow another flush of them. So after your first one, after you remove any of the mushrooms, you leave it there. You move remove any left mushroom tissue from the X area, and then you soak the log in water overnight, and then you wrap the log back in the humidity tent and place it in a dark place for another week. So you put it back in my closet, my germination closet, for a week, and then I restart the process of spraying my log with water daily as I did before. And then you just keep getting them until all the spores are gone. All right? So remember to always do your best. Be blessed and try to grow some lion's mane mushrooms. I think they're awesome. Let me see if I can let you see them for real, for real. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? Isn't that lovely? Get down in there. Grow you some lion's mane or any kind of mushroom. All right? All praises. Have a blessed day. Please don't forget to go over to my affiliate link in the description for the Seed Time Garden Planning app, and you will receive some free seeds. And I'm thanking my subscriber who went over there as well. All my faithful subscribers. I'm going to do a shout out to my subscribers in one of my videos, but I I'm just so appreciative of everyone who comes out, especially those who like to leave me a comment, because I like going back and forth. I could go back and forth all day, but I know everybody has things to do. But anyways, remember to always do your best, be blessed, and try to grow something. Okay? All praises.